Good morning and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. I'm sorry if it sounds a little bit blustery. I'm using my phone because my camera is in the bag and yeah, I don't want to unpack it just yet. Hey, anywho, we are heading to Six Flags Fiesta, Texas, Hurricane Harbor Water Park, and it's hot. It feels like I'm being hit with a hairdryer. British are made for this heat. That car is such an ass. And here we are, we're at the entrance to Hurricane Harbor. You have to get into Six Flags Fiesta, Texas theme park first before you can get into the water park. Is that Bruce? So I've now swapped over to the Insta360 X5. This is the first time I've used this camera. Yeah, let me know down below what you think it looks like or sounds like, because yeah, this is the very first time I've used it. Ooh, a wave pool. And this is us for today. Ooh, waves. Well, I'm in the water. And you know when you get that little kiss down below? I'm at that stage. Well, I've done it. I'm getting in. It's not that bad once you're in. But yeah, it's not that deep. Anything? Well, peeps, it's time for food. So I'm not sure what the food is like here, but we shall see. The lazy river looks very full, but it's going to be sick when I get in there. Can't wait. So we've got ourselves some burger and fries. That doesn't look like a water burger.
No, it's not. But for theme park, it's actually pretty good.
It's not bad.
Lazy river time. Uh-oh.
I'm just gonna wait till everybody's done. Rainbow hat is gone. Oh!
get stuck in the vortex. I'll tell you something. We've just been on the Texas Tumble, which is like a raft ride. We all sit in the raft ride. Damn. I think we were at the edge of the weight limit because we nearly flipped on every corner. At one point, I thought we were out of there.
It's because of Tristan. Tristan put us over.
Yeah, Tristan was too heavy for us. That's what it was.
Yeah.
Definitely. I'll tell you something. It's hot. Yeah. Texas heat is brutal. Brutal. Even though this guy thinks it's not hot.
It's not hot.
It's hot.
It's get hot till July. This is nothing.
It's as hot as the devil's ass.
Nah.
Uh-huh. So that will just about do it from Six Flags Fiesta. Can't even speak, I'm not sunburnt. That'll just about do it from Six Flags Fiesta, Texas. Hurricane Harbor?
Hurricane Harbor.
Hurricane Harbor. And I'm crispy. As you can see, English skin is not designed
like
for
a chip.
Texas sun. What's that, Chris?
You're a chip.
I'm a chip. No, I'm fucking burnt.
Chippy.
Yeah. So anywho, shall see you all in the next one.
Now it's time to do your job.
Now it's time to apply after sun.